Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with some investment news. NCB Financial Group is seeking to raise $2.8 billion in a bond offer with an option to upsize it to $4.2 billion. The unsecured bonds will mature in July 2025 and come with an interest rate of 10.75%. NCB Financial Group says the funds, which will be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, will be used for general corporate purposes and debt refinancing. Investors will have to make a minimum subscription of $100,000 for the 2-year bond. Interest will be paid semi-annually starting December 31, 2023. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.96. $117.36 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $199.15, while it's costing an average $172.42 for the euro. To the stock market now. The JSE index lost 2,466 points today, while the junior market index gained 31 points. Among the 37 winners were Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Blue Power Group, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares, and Elite Diagnostic. Leading the 50 decliners was Productive Business Solution US dollar shares, Equity Line Mortgage Investment Corporation preference shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.